Well, we just woke up and it is an absolutely beautiful day. We've gone to our friend Sam and Cindy's place, which is absolutely beautiful in Grand Forks. The kids are playing with bubbles right now. Life is good.
Hi, baby girl.
Let's go. All right, right now we are heading to have breakfasty lunch. The place is called The Wooden Spoon. Supposedly it has very good reviews and it is super yummy. So let's check it out. What do you think?
Good.
Yeah, really good? Big spoon, so good. Oh my gosh, that was absolutely mind-blowing. So we're just emptying our Sani, filling up some water right now, and it seems to be taking forever. Is water just slower here? We need to fill the water up. Almost.
To go see our other friends, Maggie and Brian, and their little girl, James. We got, GPS says 2-ish hours. I'm gonna guess it's gonna take us at least 3 hours. At least. Somebody's always gotta stop, somebody's gotta get drone footage, somebody's gotta pee or poo, but not really poo. It's interesting, road tripping with a 3-year-old and a baby. But right now, all is calm, it's quiet, baby girl's sleeping, puppy dog is sleeping, and the little man is content watching a show for now. The next town, essentially, from Grand Forks. I thought we could drive for at least an hour. I think we made it 45 minutes? Yeah. We were having a meltdown back there. Started off with a bit of whining, turned into close to a full-on meltdown about unknown, TBD. So we're pulling into Castlegar. We found a little Kinsmen water park, splash park. Hopefully the dog can have a little wander and a pee. Know if we can have a bit of poop. And the Ronin can have a bit of, well, water park that he doesn't really enjoy the water, so he'll bumble around. We'll bumble. Our truck said it's 34 degrees here right now. Pretty hot. Mama's gonna go through too. Ready? Will you run through here with me?
Nice job, Ronan. Wow, off-road. Off-road. Oh, it's coming.
Well, for a spontaneous pit stop, that splash park was perfect. See you later, Castlegar. Road tripping, anywhere really, and they're all sleeping at the same time. facing the wrong way, but even the dog is sleeping. Yes.
As long as you're not sleeping because you're driving. Then we're good. These steep hills are absolutely crazy. We are
Steep hills?
Steep hills.
More like climbing a mountain.
These steep.
We literally climbed over a mountain, but not with our feet.
Okay, so these steep mountains are very steep, and I gotta put music back on. Don't want the kids to wake up. Well, we made it over the mountains, and now we are almost in Prairie Land. Actually, no, we're not. No, we're not. We're in a valley. The Valley of Creston. It is beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful.
Check it out.
This app is a complete game changer. It's called Lundbreck Pro, and it basically gives you the exact measurements to keep your trailer level. So right now we have to go down by 9.25 inches. So down you go.
Here, Mama. Mama, help you. We don't want you to go in.
No.
You okay? Hey.
Hey, Mama.
Ooh.
It's super. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And
Doing it by ourselves.
how I do this?
You're doing it. Good job.
Just woke up. First thing, my son's outside in pajamas riding his bike. You see how fast you are, Lauren? Good morning. All right, after our great visit with our friends, we are now packing up the truck, getting it all re-hitched up. All right, we just saw something along the highway called Two Scoops Steve. So it seems to be an ice cream parlor. It looks to be quite popular. Look at all the people here. So one side is ice cream, one side is sandwiches. Let's go check out the sandwiches. There's a lot of flavors. What flavor do you want? Do you want chocolate? Do you want... Ooh, we got mud pie, coffee. Ooh, that one looks good. So good, Ronan. The scoop place, we got some sandwiches, and now we are going to be trying out these.
I wasn't expecting.
Yeah.
I was expecting ice cream and that sandwich. Got some pickled cabbage, pastrami, mustard, cucumber, cheese. On some very fresh looking baked bread.
I just made it. Good.
Well, we have stopped in Sparwood to check out the world's largest single tandem dump truck. What do you see?
A dump truck.
You see a dump truck? No way, where?
Right. A big dump truck I've ever seen.
Sparwood in the area is pretty well known for coal mining. Back in the late 1800s, they discovered coal in the Crow's Nest Pass and Pass. And when the railway was built, it gave them access to coal and coal mining. And then a lot of Europeans and such immigrated here to work in the coal mines because it was a pretty popular industry. A lot of people worked in the coal mines. In the 1800s, 1900s. And now we have a giant green steel monument. This is huge. And unfortunately, in the backdrop is a whole bunch of little forest fires. And maybe one kind of big one.
Rock slide that buried part of a mining town of Frank in Alberta. Around 4:10 a.m. on April 29th, 1903, around 44 million cubic meters or 110 million tons of limestone rock slid down Turtle Mountain. Witnesses report that within 100 seconds the rock reached up the opposing hills, obliterating the eastern edge of Frank, the Canadian Pacific Railway line, and the coal mine. It was one of the largest landslides in Canadian history and remained the deadliest, as between 70 and 90 of the town residents died, most of whom remained buried in the rubble. We're right now coming into Lundbreck Falls, which is a little beautiful waterfall. Thanks so much for watching the adventure on Bear Witness. Next time, we head into Calgary, see some friends in Red Deer, and then we head to Drumheller to see some dinosaurs. Till next time on Bear Witness.